Attempt to repair, Sang pack number 3. Today is 6/7/2024. It's 81 degrees Fahrenheit outside. Damaged shingle here. This is our work area. Overdriven like a mug. Come on, get there. Two rows up. No pop. Old shingles out. All the nails are going to blow through. They are all bad overdriven though. This is going to be CertainTeed shingle. Going to be XCT20 discontinued. Okay. Attempt to repair is completed. It's going to be a fail. It's going to be heavy creasing and granular loss on every shingle. To give you an idea, look. Look at all the granules. It ain't just my glove that's starting. Attempt to repair, fail. Creasing. Granular loss. Attempt to repair 3, fail. Additionally, let's go look at this nonsense. Really?
Terrible.
Why are people doing this? This is unacceptable. Look at this workmanship. This is what happens when you guys don't pay for roofs. You have roofers that come and do this.
Yep.
Look at this. That's disgusting. Look at this. PR fail, PR fail, PR fail, ATR fail, PR fail. Look. You've now put 2 structures at damage of risk.